So let us first pray. Okay, so in the name of the one, two.
Sige, lahat ng tumawa minus 5, walang magpakalatan.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, children. Good morning, Miss Hannah. I'm glad to see you again.
There is a cipher of the day and boys our side words. Boys.
Ano ba taong mo, Jim? Sige naman lang mukhaon, Jim. Wala, daghan kayo hugason, daghan kayo hugason, daghan kayo. Huwag mo kalapaan ang inyong eskwelahan. Kung lang mga habol, Jim, ay mo na talungon dagap ni Jim. Kakatag naman lang ang agi na inyong kwarto, dapat mong mga hugawa. Kamu mo na magbaboy.
Maabsin ko na.
Hindi, Jim. Gusto na kasi punta-punta. Mahal mo kabaon mo. Papa, gani, gaon na, mano.
Panatang mapabayan, niibig ko ang Pilipinas. Aking lupang sinilangan. Tahanan ng aking lahi. Kinukup ako at tinutulungan. Maging masama.
It's beginning to look a lot like.
And a happy new year.
Where are you at in your life right now?
At my limits.
What's a fast solution to a headache? For heat kiss. Sir, excuse me. What would you do if you get locked out of your room?
I'll talk to the lock.
Talk to the lock? Why?
Because communication is key.
How lazy are you?
I'll marry a pregnant woman.
Have you ever experienced back hugs?
No, only backstabs.
What?
Onet, nagagalit pag sinasabihan ka. Oh yeah.
XB.
Wala akong pakialam. Sabi ninyo, masamang maburak. Panginoon mo!
Ang mga batang ito ay kailangan. Ngunit mo hayaan mo ang iyong pagkabigo